Have you ever dreamed of entering data into your Qlik applications with the flexibility of a spreadsheet and securing them in a database? The K4 Analytics extension allows you to place your Excel templates in collaborative documents. The cells are connected to the Qlik data, and the inputted or calculated cells are saved in a secure SQL database. Let's take a first Qlik View user working on a P&L budget. Based on actuals, the user wants to edit the budget, but also to add a comment, check a box, or change a status in a list. This data entry will apply to the current selection in Qlik without dimensions limitation. Now, let's see another user who is working on the same app but from Qlik Sense. He will enter different types of data for the month of January, while business rules will activate calculations, conditional formatting, cell locking. Once satisfied, he can save the inputted information. Back to our Qlik View user that we left in February. With January again selected, the data entered by his colleague is already up to date on his screen, and the cell locking is collaborative. It is possible to show or hide information depending on the role of users or business context. The concept and functionality of K4 Analytics can be expanded to enrich BI applications and manage many performance management processes.